guys, welcome back to this Slimeatory! Alright guys, today we're gonna do the slime dart challenge, but it's gonna have a little twist because it is gonna be a Valentine's Day slime dart challenge. So yeah. So it isn't Valentine's Day yet, but it is gonna be tomorrow. So we wanted to do a little special video for you guys, and let's do it. So basically guys, let's go over here. We have our dartboard right here, and it has a bunch of different Valentine's Day things. So we have clear glue, glitter glue, little heart thingamajiggers, I'm not sure exactly, but they're really cool. And then rose petals, pom-pom beads, red glitter, pigment, and a cherry scent, clay, and heart sprinkles, and these ones are like the special ones on the side. So yeah, basically guys, we're gonna throw a dart, and then we're gonna, whatever it lands on, say it's lotion, we get lotion in our bowl, and then we make our slime. So let's get straight on into the video, yo! Alrighty, so first we're gonna do some rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first. Are you ready, Mom? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ah! Yes, I got it. Okay, alright guys, I'm super good at this, so be careful, Mom.
Whatever.
Okay, be careful.
I'm better.
Alright, I'm gonna try and get the clear slime, clear glue I mean, because I want some glue. Alright. Dang it, I got glitter glue, but it's still good. But I didn't get the clear glue, but I got glitter glue, alright.
I think I want to go for the clear glue too.
You got lotion. Alright, so I got glitter glue, pink glitter glue, and Mom got?
I'm still getting that clear slime. I got lotion to start, which I guess.
This is so pretty.
Wait, is the lotion gonna mess up the slime?
Kinda, because it's clear, but it doesn't matter. Ooh, this is so pretty already. I love glitter glue. I hope I don't get like shaving cream or lotion or something. Alright guys, we have our first round all done. Now let's get on to the second round. I'm ready.
I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw it this time and see what it lands on. So yeah, alright.
Whoa, Ameerah. It landed on white.
Got nothing again.
All right, my turn. I'm still going for that clear glue, guys. I think I'm gonna get it. Ah!
You got shaving.
Oh my goodness! No!
I wish I got shaving cream.
You said you didn't want shaving cream.
Yeah, but now I got
lotion.
nothing.
I have the two that you said you don't want. Oh, all right. Well, I'm gonna put my shaving cream, and so excited! Yay!
I'm gonna put my nothing. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
I mean, it really
really adds
something to it, some magical something in there.
Alright guys, let's get on to the next round. This time guys, I think I'm gonna attempt to aim, and I'm gonna aim for that pigment because I really want some pigment, so let's do this. Okay.
Wow!
Where'd it go?
I think right here.
Oh.
Well, that's definitely not pigment.
You can put a shelf in your slime.
No, I'm good, thank you though.
Are you good with nothing again?
Yeah, I'm good.
I think I'm gonna keep aiming for that clear glue because without glue, I mean, I have that right there. All right. Yes!
You got it like right in the middle. Oh, whoa.
Do you want to go first, Ameerah, or should I go first?
No, you can go first.
You sure?
I can wait.
All right. I'm super excited. Yay! Hey. Is that enough?
Yeah.
You want some, Ameerah? You want me to share a little bit with you?
No, I have some glitter glue.
I mean, it made something on there.
Here, I'm gonna put my nothing now. Yeah.
Yay!
You put a lot in that one. Okay.
For a little
All right. All right, guys. So I really want something this time, you know, because that's the point of the game. But I think I'm gonna try to go for an easier target. I'm gonna go with the pink foam beads, but it's very close to the shaving cream, so I hope I don't get the shaving cream. But let's do this. Okay.
Yeah!
I
can't believe you got that! Wow!
Yeah, whatever. You're just jealous.
Whoa, I think I want to try for that one too. You got the glitter glue!
Yes! Whoa, guys, I actually have something this time.
Whoa.
Okay, this is gonna be bomb.
It is. I'm already loving it. All right, well, I have red glitter glue, which is also gonna be awesome. I don't know with my shaving cream and my lotion.
It looks pretty still. It actually turned to like a pigment slime, like kind of at the end.
Cool.
I love red glitter glue. It's so pretty. Next round. I don't know what I want this time. I think I'm gonna go with the.
Okay.
I I think we're gonna go with the red glitter because I want some red glitter, and also it's kind of like the biggest one, so I don't think I could miss that, right?
I think.
Right?
Right.
Okay. Yay! I got red glitter. Beat that. Beat that.
Okay, I think I want kind of one of those red hearts. They're hard.
Yeah, those are really hard.
All right, I'm gonna try out for those hearts right there.
No way.
Did I?
Did you?
Yes!
She did! Okay, I got some red glitter. Yes! I love how red glitter looks. Like, I haven't used it a lot, but like, I love how it looks, especially like with this one. Doesn't it look so pretty?
It does.
Looks so
I keep
pretty.
playing with it.
Okay. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, when Ameerah doesn't watch me. All right, my turn. Whoa, those are pretty. Look at that, Ameerah.
Yeah, those are really pretty. They look so cool. All right, guys, next round. Okay, so I still have a clear slime so far, so I think we're gonna try and aim for that pigment right there because I'm pretty lucky, I think so. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, totally.
All right. I didn't get pigment, but I did get petals, so that's pretty cool. I got really petals.
I like petals. Okay, what should I aim for? I think I want to aim for the pigment too.
All right, we got some rose petals. Ooh, that looks so cool. I hope this goes well with the slime. Okay, next round. Or do you want to put your nothing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm still gonna go for that pigment because I really want it, so just prepare.
I want it too, but it's hard. Aww. I'm gonna try for it too. If I don't fall.
Okay, so we both got nothing, Mom. So why don't we just redo this round, okay? All right. I almost got it. He's right there. Can we like estimate it to just like all the way over here? No?
No.
Okay.
I mean, if we can both do it, I'm gonna keep trying for it.
Okay, I'm taking yours, Mom. Yours seems better than mine. All right.
Keep changing it.
Hit.
Did you get something?
No.
My turn. I'm gonna go for it again.
Wait, I'm gonna put my stuff first.
Oh yeah, please. Be my guest.
Oh, I gotta open. There you go. Okay, you could go now.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it. It's okay.
It looks nice.
Yeah,
all right,
thanks.
My turn. This is so pretty, guys. Look. Oh,
Whole bucket of pigment.
this is.
That's the light.
Oh, all right. This is so pretty. I'm in love with this.
I'm just gonna try and get something else. I'm gonna try and get those sprinkles right there. I could do it.
Whoa!
I didn't get anything again.
Yeah, you did. You got nothing. A whole lot of nothing. I think I want to get scent. No, right?
Cherry scent.
Should I get? I think I'm gonna try it, but it's hard. Oh, I'm gonna get a whole lot of nothing. Like somebody I know.
Ah! You almost got it, Mom. All right, guys. This time I have a strategy. Usually when I aim at something, I don't get it. So I'm gonna aim at something close to it and then I'll get it.
Are you gonna aim at nothing?
Yeah, I'm gonna aim right here in the middle. Watch, it's gonna work. Definitely gonna work. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm so happy.
All right, guys. Well, I think I'm using Ameerah's strategy. I'm gonna aim for nothing. Right by the scent, right there.
You almost did it, Mom. With the heart sprinkle.
Whatever.
Okay. Oh, those are so pretty. Okay, these are gorgeous.
Let me just put my nothing.
Okay.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's great. All right, for the last one, which I'm gonna try and get those pom-poms right there. Okay. Let's do this. No!
Yes. We're twinsies now.
I got lotion.
And I'll share with you.
Can I put hair gel instead?
I still want that scent. So I'm gonna go for nothing.
Wait, mom. I think it's more like you want nothing, so you're gonna go for the scent because you really don't want the scent, right?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, what Ameerah said. Really don't want the scent. Your strategy forever! Yes! Okay, I'm gonna go get it!
There's my lotion. You never said how much lotion, so that's my lotion.
I see no lotion. Oh, I see the
there.
lotion.
There's
I
lotion.
I should have.
You want me to take it out for you? I can take it out.
No, I get it. I see it. I mean, that works, I guess. Right? How much should I put? I have no idea.
Not a lot. That's enough.
All right, well, there's my whole lot of nothing. It works.
Yeah. All right, guys, now it's time to mix and make our slimes. Let's do this. Okay, let me mix mine. I have sprinkles, rose petal, foam beads, and lotion.
Yeah, so much lotion.
Somewhere in there. And we also got some glitter and some glitter glue. So let's mix it. I am excited. This looks so pretty. Oh, whoa. This is gonna be a very, very, very saturated foam. I am excited.
Look at those hearts. They look so pretty in there. Okay, let me mix it. Okay, this is turning into like shaving cream. All right, well, we'll see what happens after we put the activator.
Mom, yours smells so good.
I know, and it looks like a strawberry milkshake.
Yeah, I kind of want to eat yours. Can I eat
know, and it smells delicious. I think we know where we're going after this.
I feel like mine's gonna be hard to activate because it has the foam beads in it already. All right, guys, I'm all done with my slime. It is a nice foam slime. It actually is so freaking pretty, guys. And like with all the glitters and like the heart sprinkles. It's very, very thick too. And the rose petals actually look really, really cool. I like it.
I love it.
Thanks.
It's beautiful. Let me touch it. Oh my
It's
God.
very crunchy too. It is kind of still like, it needs kneading because it's a foam slime. But it's still good. It's super thick though. Like it's incredible. Look at those red sparkles. I love how red sparkles look. They look so cool. I love this one.
I want it.
I cannot
Oh
wait till it
God.
clears up.
My turn. All right, so mine turned out pretty cool too. I like it. You can see the pigment there.
Yeah,
and
you can actually
also
see the pigment a lot.
yeah, and you can also see like the
Oh, it has such a cool texture.
glitter from the glitter glue and the hearts, the red hearts just make it adorable. And I really like how it,
It
like
has such like
yeah,
a thick texture.
It's nice.
So cool.
and it's like soft, right?
Yeah.
It's not sticky. It's stretchy. Look at that. It's so pretty. And I love the color that it turned out. It's like a light, like a pink. And then the hearts just
This
red.
smells like freaking cherry starburst and it is amazing.
Oh yeah, the smell. It's like I'm in love.
Comment down below who you thought won or whose slime you like better. I like mine a lot, but like hers is really cool, the texture. But like I love how this one looks like. It is so pretty. Okay guys, I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you comment down below what you want us to do next. And that is thank you so much and I hope I see you next time. Bye!